babes, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. Y'all listen. I had first off did a whole video on I think it's series 6 of my 5 Below perfumes. I did a whole video, unboxed it, threw the box away, uploaded it, and did the thumbnail to realize, once I was doing the thumbnails, when I realized that I had the wrong perfume for, you know, what it was duping, okay? Girl, listen, so I had to redo it all over again. I hate it when you do a video and you love that video and you have to destroy that video because the video is no good. It's not and void. Okay, anyway, so today we are back, guys. How are you? I am doing great besides that video, but I'm just going to record it over, girl. I'm going to record it. I did 3 videos in one night, and I was talking about the clothes I had on. If you've seen the same clothes, well, I guess, honey, it's not the same clothes with those 3 videos because I had to, you know, it's a different day. Anyway, so I had to do 6 all over again. I did 7 and 8. 8 is down uploading now, and I'm doing 6 right now again without the box. So please forgive me, y'all. Just know that maybe if I could try to post some of it, I could, but I done threw the footage away because I did so much video. Anyway, listen. This is 6, 5 Below, and I hate to come to you guys like this with my box, okay? Anyway, so this is the B Sexy NYC, and this is by My Rich, and I got it from 5 Below. It's $5. These are affordable dupes, y'all. Y'all know I'm coming to y'all with the 5 Below affordable dupies, okay? So this right here is duping Pause NYC by Beyonce. Now, see, I had the other one, Beyonce Pause, and see, I knew it was a problem when I didn't smell that citrus smell, okay? I'm like, there ain't no lemons in this, but anyway, that's because I had the wrong one. So Beyonce has, for anybody who don't know, because now I know, that Beyonce has Pause, Beyonce Pause, and Beyonce also have Pause NYC. So I did a video on the Beyonce Pause, but found out that it was the wrong one, that the one I needed was the Pause NYC by Beyonce. So here she is, okay? She smells good. She is 100 mil, and you know 5 Below got to bring you with those mils, okay? 100 mils. This is the top right here, and you hear it. If y'all hear some noise, like staticky, like it's my air conditioner, it will go off soon, hopefully. But this is the top. Can you hear it? Okay, so this is the beautiful bottle. Look how beautiful she is. Y'all know Beyonce's bottle is like this, but it has like the bottle in the inside, and it has like the plastic or something on the sides. But this is a gorgeous bottle. This is a very sexy bottle, and this is B Sexy NYC. I'm just going to go here on and get the sprayer out the way, y'all, because I done sprayed this, and I don't want to spray it again, but this is what the sprayer looks like. Girl, I would wear this. Oh my goodness, she smells so good. Listen to me very, very careful. This is $5, okay? This is $5, and she smells amazing. She lasts long. I had her on for a couple of hours. Girl, if I have to reapply her, I will reapply her. She smells so good, y'all. She smells like a gourmand, like a fruity gourmand, like a good, okay? She smells like those Tootsie Rolls, you know, not a Tootsie Roll that's chocolate, but the fruity ones, you know what I mean? I don't eat candy though, but I'm just saying she smells like that. Girl, she smells amazing, okay? She smells good. I would buy her. I would buy her again and again and again. Actually, I'm gonna go get another one because this is one right here that is backup friendly, okay? You need a backup to this. Of course, 5 Below always be selling them, but girl, you're sometimes hard to find. I would always want to keep one of these, okay? So I really like her. I'm not hyping her up. Do I have to? No. She hypes herself up. Do I have to say this? No, I'm not being paid to none of this. All I'm saying is that, girl, this is that girl right here, okay? So let me go ahead and get into the notes of Beyonce Pause it by NYC. So the notes to her is, well, first off, Beyonce's Pause NYC is a floral fruity gourmand fragrance for women. It was launched in 2013. The notes behind this fragrance is Carlos something something. The top notes are raspberry, pomegranate, pear, peony, and jasmine. Middle notes is orchid. Base notes are cupcake and patchouli. I believe it, girl. This is a fruity gourmand, in other words, but she smells amazing. So let's go ahead on and get into B Sexy's note, and I will make sure I have it up on the screen that way you guys can know what's going on. So B Sexy NYC is a sweet fruity cocktail of raspberry and pears, patchouli with woody blend, classified as a everyday floral fruity gourmand fragrance. Okay, unique alternative to expensive designer brand name Perfumes. She's an Eau Perfume. Okay, so this right here, sweet. She's sweet. She's very subtle. She's that girl. Okay, she's one where though you don't have to say nothing. If you're in a room, everybody know you're in the room. She's sweet. She is just so sweet, and she is a gourmand. She is. She's not strong. She's not offensive. None of that, y'all. She smells really fruity. You do smell the pear in here. I do smell the pear. You know, it's one note that I couldn't smell. What was that note? That was actually the raspberry. It's like I smell a strawberry somewhat in here, but listen, I've been smelling perfumes all day, okay? But let's go ahead on and see if I can smell the woody blend. I do smell the woody part that's in here. She do smell like a cocktail, y'all. She smells like a cocktail, okay? She smell like that girl. I just can say she smell like that girl, honey. And right now, today, I have on my girl, Juicy Couture, what is it? Juicy Couture or something, girl. This one right here. I have on this one right here. So I don't want to mix her. But baby, this girl right here, as I did the video with you guys, that was wrong. And I had to re-record. But anyway, after I got finished, I went and laid down. And when I went to lay down for hours, I kept smelling that smell. And I was like, oh my goodness. So babe was even like, what you got on? And I was like, really? You know, but he said, what you got on? Girl, this $5 perfume right here don't smell like a $5 perfume. She smells good. She smells sweetie. Okay? Really sweetie. She smells really sweet, really fruity gourmand. If you like a gourmand that's fruity, then you would like this right here. And I'm not hyping her up. I don't need to hype her up. So let me go ahead on and recap this, y'all. So for anybody who may have gotten to the video and fast forwarded, you know, and don't know what I'm talking about, we are talking about the affordable perfumes at Five Below. Honey, this is the B Sexy NYC, and she is a dupe for the Beyonce, is it Pause NYC? So don't get it mixed up. Not Beyonce Pause, but Beyonce Pause NYC. Because you see, this has the NYC in it. Don't make the same mistake your girl made, okay? But y'all, I will spray her again and again and again and again, okay? I will spray her again, okay? If somebody asking me, like y'all always be asking me, some of you rude ones, why you so hyped? Because she smells good to me, okay? She smells good to me. She really does smell good, y'all. She really does smell good. And she do have some longevity to her. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. I do smell the I smell the raspberry in this top. She smelled good, girl. What? We will get another one, and I will let you know. I'm going to Five Below this weekend. No, probably beginning of the weekend. When I go and handle my business, I'm gonna go, and within a week, I'm gonna go back and see if I can find her, because I went to the store and I cannot find her. Okay, so hopefully I can go around to some Five Belows and I have another one, because they sell out of this every time, and I noticed that they did, and I kept looking like, why, you know? But so I did get my hand on one. But baby, I'm going to get my hand on the other one, on another one, okay? Because this thing right here, she's that girl. And everybody who's buying her knows she is that girl. She smells amazing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead on and get out of here, y'all, because there's nothing else. I'm going to keep her, okay? She's mine. I'm going to wear her. And when you see her, I didn't put like a little baby dent up in her. But, girl, guess what? I'm going to dent her. When you see her, when you see her again, she's going to have some wear in her, okay? Because this right here, baby, I don't have to spend all my coins for this, because she smells good. And I'll just respray. She's $5, y'all. What you expect for $5? Respray, okay? All right, guys. So you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. Mwah. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. Hold on. Don't forget to share, y'all. Share this one. Share this one. Let them know that they have Beyonce, a dupe for Beyonce, Pause NYC, and J Baby says she smells good, okay? J Baby says she's a fruity gourmand, and J Baby says that she's going to spray her and she's going to keep her, and she don't need to hype her up because she is that girl, okay? All right, y'all. You can layer her as well. Also, put down some lotion or some oil or something and spray her, and she lasts longer. Y'all already know. She can even be a hairspray, y'all. Not your hair, but if you have a wig, spray her, okay? She smells good. Yes. All right, guys. So share. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. All you guys who are subscribed to my channel, bless you and thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, I'm humble. Thank you so much. Y'all, these are affordable perfumes. They don't cost you a lot, okay? So I try to look for that because, girl, everybody ain't got that money, okay? Everybody ain't got that money for this. So go get your hands on this. It's B Sexy. The bottle is gorgeous. B Sexy by, and not by, B Sexy NYC by Mari. All right, y'all. So I want y'all just to sit back just for a second, if you mind, okay? Because I'm done with the video, but I want to actually play a little snippet of what I said clip it, a snippet of what I had in series, I think 6. I think that's important because some of you guys have been coming on and saying stuff like, you know, people going broke. There's a lot of videos out here too saying that people going broke because of beauty influencers having them to buy perfumes and stuff like that. So I just want to just go ahead on and play what I had in that video. And what I had to do was actually record it from off of YouTube, from the other video. I don't have that other video, but I had to record it and you know, because I thought this part was special, so and it was important. So I want to just play this, and then it's not long at all. So just sit back and relax, and y'all already know. Be blessed, y'all. Okay. Good. I see a lot of videos that's floating around here talking about going broke on buying perfumes. You can, okay? I do want to let you know you can. But you have to use your own mind, use your own wisdom when it comes down to these perfumes. You can go get yourself, it's like these dupes. This is $5, okay? Like I said, y'all, I bought this with my own money. This is $5. You can go and get this, okay? You don't have to buy everything that you see somebody buy. Like I did Five Below. Like I did a Bath and Body Works haul. Bath and Body Works can be expensive too. Some of those fragrances be like $18, $16. That's why they have sales. That's why they have flash sales, because they have them like $3.95 for $5.95. Get them then, okay? You don't have to buy expensive perfumes because you see somebody else with them. Don't mean that they spent all that money. And then some of them do spend the money, but their money is not your money, okay? Like my money, I don't have money like that, y'all. But I'm going to buy what I want. You know what I'm saying? And yes, you can go broke, but you have to use your own wisdom. Use your own wisdom. You know you can't. Because you see all of this, don't mean you go buy all of this. You buy what's affordable for you. Am I trying to get you to buy them? No. I'm not trying to get you to buy all of them. You know what I'm saying? All at one time. Just that I'm letting you know I am a beauty influencer. So I'm letting you know that they have perfumes out here that you can buy. And this is what I like. You see it. Doesn't mean to go buy it, y'all, okay? Not like that. Use your own wisdom, you know, your own knowledge and your own understanding of it, okay? So a lot of perfumes that I have are affordable. A lot of perfumes probably not for you guys, and it probably is. You probably can afford way more than I can, and that's good. But you stay on your own level. Let's just say that. So I don't want to preach. I just want to say stay on your own level. All these videos out here saying, well, you know, you'll go broke. These influencers trying to get you to buy this. Listen, we are to influence you. We are beauty influencers, but at the same time, when I got in my hand, $5. Okay? I may show you some of my perfumes that I have because they have them that they're out, you know, and they may cost a little bit more, but I'm going to show them to you. But even if I say, girl, go get it, still it's up to you. You have your own mind. You're not a people pleaser. You have your own mind to decide what you want, okay? Don't go because somebody else tell you. Self-control, okay? Sometimes I don't have self-control. And if I don't have self-control, that means that my coins that I go spend on, I'm going to lack because I did not use wisdom. Okay? All right, y'all. So be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.